Guys, I hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do this very interesting and famous Oscars look wore by Jennifer Lopez, and it's a mirrored garment and it's designed by Tom Ford. I will be putting the link of the reference picture also so that you can take the reference and practice it along. And here you can see I've started doing the base with the pencil, and you can also mark some directions where you want to put the shapes. Now here the main focus should be on your shapes first, that you are giving this nice broken mirror effect, and don't leave too much gap in between. Like in the reference picture you can see the mirrors are very close to each other, only the shapes are like very different here, like some shapes are very small, some are very big. So you can take out your time properly and do the mirrors shape first, and also have a close look at the picture. Like during the corner of the garment the shapes are very small, while in the center I think the shapes are quite bigger. So just to focus on that, because we are also going to fill inside the mirrors color so that it gives that nice shine effect as well. So this was again little time consuming, and take a sharpened pencil, and I would recommend to first do it with pencil only, then only you can move with a base color. For the base color we will do the black shade, and I would highly recommend that you use any kind of waterproof material so that it doesn't merge with the color or it doesn't bleed. And Micron is a very good brand, you can check it out. I will be posting the links of the materials, and you can use different size also, like very fine liner would be good to reach out to this delicate area, and if you want to do it very quick you can use a little thicker size of the pen. And one more thing is that you can use any eraser to just slightly dab over it to pick the extra charcoal pencils or to erase the fine pencil lines, and we have a very clean base to work on. So guys, if you pay a good attention to the mirrors, you will see the mirrors are reflecting light, and it's in different colors actually, so we can dilute these colors. Like I'm choosing these colors like black, red, blue, and we have to dilute the color very well, and it's kind of a light wash of the colors. You can also use any other mediums like very light shade of any alcohol markers or even your pencil colors, that can also be done. But yeah, again watercolors can give a very sheer effect, and you can dab it over the tissue paper as well to just make it more translucent, like transparent type. Just a light shade of the color will create a very good effect of that mirror reflection. So be careful with the brush which you are choosing. Try to use a very fine liner brush so that you are able to do the placement of the color in this very tiny spaces. Like you can see the sizes of the mirrors, some shapes are very tiny here, so to reach out to those tiny mirrors you would be using a very fine liner brush. And keep on cleaning your brush in between so that your color doesn't merge, and you can leave the colors for a while so that it settles down. And yeah, working with watercolor can be little time consuming, but again it's very nice to work with watercolor. The effect comes out very nicely, and after it has settled you can also use your white gel pen to give that final shine over this mirrors. And keep on working this in layers. Maybe you can also darken some of the mirrors, and keep on looking at your reference picture, because this mirror garment they can reflect light at various angles. So the mirrors which are like around the corners or near the underarm, in this area it will have little darker shade. Another alternative medium can be using this water based brush pens. So you just use little of the color on your plate, and dilute it with water, and you can use that color as well. Now there are other tutorials on my channel where we have done brush pen mediums already. So if you have not seen those videos, you can definitely go and check out, like how to do the complete illustrations along with the skin tone using your brush pens. So guys, yeah, you can check out that videos and using brush pens just like you would do with your watercolors. So here you can see, you can either use brush pens, watercolors, or you can use your Staedtler color pencils also. And Staedtler color pencils, which are water based, that can also be used just like your watercolors. So guys, after you are done with your first layer, like you have given all the colors, go again and put second layer of the colors on some areas where you see the shades are quite dark. Like here, after the red color has settled in, I feel that the red color needs to be a little more darkened. So I'm going with the red color again and giving it on the places where I see that the color of the red is more intense there. And yeah, that can totally depend on the angles at which the picture has been taken, because these are very reflective and it can reflect the light and the shade from various angles. So it totally depends how you are following up with your reference picture or the fabric, and how it reacts with the light at various angles. So guys, keep on diluting your water when you feel the shade is extremely light. So the whole magic here is with your watercolors. Very simple thing, just take your colors and dilute it, and it can be in various level, like scaling from 1 to 10 how light you want your color to be. So combination of all these layers of the color will come together and will create the magic of this beautiful mirrored pattern. So here just your watercolors and just the magic of diluting the colors. You can see that I'm just giving this final touches, and also you don't need to color on all of the places. Keep some of the mirrors blank also, so that it shows pure white color. Lastly, if you want any of the color to be more intense and more darkened, or you want it to be more vibrant, you can go with any fine liner or brush pens or any gel pen over the base, so that it can have that maximum intensity of the color. Sometimes you can use poster color also. So guys, it totally depends that which medium works best according to the picture you are following or according to your reference. Here I'm using this normal gel pens. Now these are not waterproofs. The reason I'm using this pen, because I'm going with this water again to just slightly dab over the colors, because I wanted to merge completely with the base. So that's why I'm using this pen. And otherwise you can use any other medium, or you can just darken with the watercolor itself. And lastly, to finish it off, use proper shadows like around the corners, how we normally give it in the garment. Here dilute to black and give it around the corners. Again, be careful not to overdo with the black, just slightly dab your diluted color. You can also do this with pencils, and we will do that at the end. The final shading, we can finish it off slightly with any pencil color. So just giving a proper finishing to the hair. And guys, this kind of skin tone, if you are looking for a tutorial, I have already discussed this type of skin rendering using a combination of any base color and pencils rendering. And I will be also attaching the link of that tutorial. You can go and check it out. And here finishing it off nicely with the micron. So yes, giving the borders, giving that fine details using the white gel pen, and giving that little shine over the mirrors. Everything is needed for that very tiny details, and everything is going to come out together and give you that final product. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm planning to upload more such content where we can discuss lots of this kind of party wear type of garments. And you can also recommend me in the comment box below, and let me know your views and what other type of content you would like to see in the coming days. And also guys, you can try this out and you can share this with me, upload it on Instagram, and you can tag me and use the hashtag artstudio.srabani, so that it's easy for me to come across your works under the hashtag. And also we have started the menswear series, and I'm also going to post many other tutorial under the menswear series. So if you have not seen the beginner portion of the menswear, you can check that out too. And also you can comment that what other type of video should I post under the menswear series. So guys, I'm done with the watercolor base and everything. So finally I'm using the black pencil color to give that final shade around, and I will not use it too much, just slightly around the corners. And yeah, I'm done with this illustration. Do let me know your views on this one. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can press the bell icon to get the instant notifications on my upcoming uploads. I shall see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.